So how are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm absolutely fantastic. I'm enjoying.
That's
I'm
so
taking
nice
the
of you.
I'm
Okay,
taking the
so
most of it.
Parminder, before we proceed, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Yes. My name is Preminder Singh. I belong to Karavli district, Agra of Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
Yeah. By profession, I'm a hotelier. I have a 4-year hotel industries.
You have?
My
Sorry,
department.
you have?
4-year experience in hospitality industries
Hospitality.
in
Okay.
in 5-star hotel. Yeah, like in Delhi, 5-star hotel, and also 2-year abroad as well, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, holiday. So it was a great experience from Arab countries, and my hobbies are reading a book and watching some series basis of documentary. These are my hobbies, and yeah, this is all my background. I have done my MBA in 2017 in hospitality management.
Okay.
So I'm looking for any European country to work over there to explore some new things which I observed in my last year. So that's the information from my side.
So nowadays, where are you? You are in Agra only, or you are somewhere outside?
Actually, there is a small rural area. It's like a 17 kilometer from Agra.
Okay. Okay.
So there's a small tehsil, Khiravli,
Okay.
and yeah.
So you are in your hometown right now.
Right now, I'm in Rajasthan. Actually, now I'm with my sister. My sister got married in Rajasthan, Karoli district.
Okay. 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 So what
Right.
are you planning now? The hospitality industry is not not in a good working condition. So what are your future plans?
Now, we know that the hospital is now in a bad state. So what we are looking for, we just want to enhance some new qualities so that we can accelerate our future, like you are doing nowadays, and I'm also doing. So I just spend my whole day by reading something. What I can do, for my future.
Yes.
That's the time in my life when I sleep. When I sleep, then the money, work for me. It's not well why I'm working that I earn money, but when I sleep, at the same time also I earn money. So there is a good chance to perform on YouTube channels. I already created. Yeah, I already created my YouTube channel as well. Is basis of historical places.
Okay.
There are is going to be a 4,000 subscriber. I already got monetized.
Wow,
YouTube
that's
program.
great. So when did you start your YouTube channel?
2020 in Jan month, and yeah, I got a playlist. The first playlist I'm proud to be announced that the first playlist on Maharana Pratap stories. So I cover all the fact, and even I physically appeared that places like where he born Maharana Pratap, where he died, and where he fought like a Haldigati Yuddh. There are the lots of things I cover on that playlist. So it was 21 videos. If you go across my videos, so yeah, and that's a great inspiration.
What is your channel name?
My channel Preminder Singh.
Parminder Singh only. So what all places you have covered till now?
Till almost, not almost. I think Agra. I mean, sorry, Agra. I covered fully Agra, like all monument, like Maqbara. But there's one thing I could not recorded video about Taj Mahal and Lal Killa, because sorry to interrupt you.
No, you say.
What is my concern? I'm a offbeat traveler. I'm an acquisitive person. Whatever I do with a fantastic and do something new creations.
So you are interested in covering historical places only, or you are interested in exploring the other places as well? Like if we talk about Kerala, Kerala is famous for its beauty, its greenery and all. So what is your area of interest?
Really, my concern always to be cover historical places.
Historical places, okay.
Monument.
Okay, so I have a question for you. I have heard about the Bhangad Killa. Have you ever heard about it?
Yeah, Vangada, it's wildly famous. Everybody knows about.
So what do you think? The story behind it's really true, or it's just a story? What is your opinion on that?
So Sarita ma'am, really, these my word is going to be a bottom of my heart, and I just want to share all the things about the facts and what's our narrative about the Bhangad. It's totally fake things. Okay. I observe.
And I think government has also restricted that area. Like after 6 p.m. you cannot visit that Bhangad Killa. Is it?
There's a fact, because already we in our mind there is some things in a Bhangad. So before going to there, so we fix in our mind that we started to flashback. React something, something I feel there, something I feel.
So don't you think that by imposing these kind of restriction, government is also promoting that ghost type of stories?
No, actually, the people in the government believe that they don't want to, go through with such kind of conditions. So people started operating, so they just want to restrict people that do not allow that by the people, they die because of
the fear.
What's called fear.
So in your future, do you have plan to cover Bhangad Killa in your YouTube stories?
Definitely, even in this month, because I'm just waiting for the open tourist places. COVID-19. So let's try. There are a few points I was going to cover, like a Kurukshetra places, where the Mahabharata war happens, and Bhangad as well. And there are a few stories remaining. I just want to come. With all the videos, and that's the things from my side.
Okay, so have you made any strategy like that? First of all, you are going to cover the North India. After that, you will be moving to other parts of India and then to abroad, or you are just picking all the things randomly of your choice, of your interest?
Just getting opportunity as much as I can. So there are few points I already cover, and now I'm planning to Europe. So what I will do when I take my off, that time in the meantime I cover the few stories. So I created a video. So I'm just taking make the most of benefit from the off, or when I got the chance.
Okay, that's so great of you. So when you will be moving to the European countries, so there also you are going to explore the things and posting on the YouTube, or you will be just focusing on your career there? What is your thought?
So I'm just going to become a food critics.
Okay, food critics. Okay.
And I'm very lovers about the wine. About the wine, how to make. And there are many vineyards in Europe. Europe is a land of wine.
Okay.
The grapes. So I already studied about the particular, like a France wine, Italy wine, Germany wine, Portugal wine, or Spain wine. So I did it about it, and I know too about their places where it grow or where the fermentation. So I already make a list or design to where I have to cover all the stories. When I get a chance, I'll do that in frequent basis, and lots of things are happening in my future. I can imagine, but let's see. Let's hope to be good. Be in fortune. I think fortune is smiling on my face.
No. Nothing can be said in this context, actually. So you are having a very good future. I can see that. Like you have a very open mind about. You are very focused about the things you are gonna to do in your future. It's very good of you.
I'm very grateful to comment from your side. I'm very thankful to you,
Yes,
and I
yeah, you
hope
are very focused person. Yes, see, I
yes,
have spoken to many people who are not at all focused about their career. They don't know where to go, what to do, not at all. But yeah, you have a focused mind with the focused ideas, with the focused career. So it's very good.
I'm very thankful to you, ma'am. And also, I decided that people that just they began the things, but they
Yes,
didn't wrap up, but they didn't wrap up successfully, and that's a demerits so in their face, and that's why the people more failure in this world. The 99 people they success in life because they start systematically and they finish also this systematically. And I learned a lot from the billionaires like Bill Gates, Bezos, and they read a lot of the book. And if you want to do something, if you want to do something in your life, you must stick on the book. You
true,
know, so
true,
books are.
100% true.
So, ma'am, I just want to little bit know about you. You from or how did you start? What's your inspiration to start your YouTube channel? Can you just give
See,
me?
I am basically from Haryana, and I am graduated in science stream. So in this lockdown situation, that I thought that I should start something new in my professional life. So I
Mhm.
thought that I will do something on my English part. So I started my YouTube channel just to improve my English, because I was not having any conversation buddy with whom I can converse in English. So I thought that okay, I'll be making some videos, and I will post those videos on the YouTube, and then I will analyze myself that what all mistakes I am making and how can I improve my mistakes. So I started making videos, then people started liking those videos. Then one day I saw that some videos where people were conversing with each other. So from there this idea came in my mind that okay, I'm also going to converse with the people, and I'll be posting my videos on the YouTube so that I can also get benefit from them and the people as well. So this was just a random thing. This was not at all pre-planned or pre-strategized. It was not. It was just a random thing.
Yeah, it's great, ma'am. It's great to be announced that now you are in a right path, and
Yes.
I hope after like in a year, because the YouTube platform is place where you have to spend more time on it, and you have to analyze before starting, before posting a video, what are the contact should be done in a proper manner, and what the the hashtag should be applied on that, and which is now working. The YouTube algorithm is a different. Now I
True.
have seen there's a 5 lakhs people join on the YouTube channel, but they are getting a view very less, 1,000 views and something like 500 views. They finish the wrap of the videos. So something need to think about, and we need to analyze on it. So the same thing's happening with me, but I'm just quite beginner, and there are lots of things, lots of more conquer,
Okay.
in my life. So that's what I have to do that. But by the way, I just want to be get more fluence because I'm just a beginner in this terms, in English. So just so I want to be a more fluency, and I just want to get in touch with mind blowing conversation. So how can we done? I just
Yes.
want to
See,
get an idea.
yes, this completely depends on the conversation. The more we practice, the more we will be comfortable in speaking in English. See, if you see my first video, I was completely unable to talk to in English to someone, but now I have gained that confidence that I am speaking to the people. Yes, I got stuck at many of the places. I still running out of words when I speak to the person, but gradually I'll be I have that trust on me that yes, one day the day will come when I'll be speaking very fluently without any hesitation, without any lack of words.
I hope that we will soon meet on such conversation. If you would like to join me,
Yes,
I
yes,
think that.
sure. First of all, I'm going to explore your channel because I was not having any idea that you own a channel. So today only I'll be watching your all the videos what you have made. Then after getting the idea in totality, I'll be speaking to you because I was not at all having any idea what you do, what you don't do. So next time I'll be completely prepared while talking to you.
And also I heard about the Wonder Girl from Haryana.
Janvi Parmar.
You know, when I get a chance, I never miss her videos. You know.
Yeah, I do watch all of her videos. She's amazing girl. So it's nice talking to you. Let's call it for the day because our meeting is going to be finished in next 1 minute. At 3:35, it's going to finish.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a great day to you, ma'am. And please give me such a precious time for me. And love it. I love it for the conversations and the different people.
Same here. Thank you so much and all the best for your future, Parmendra.